So, Nothing sent me this phone to test. This is the Nothing Phone 2A Plus. I've been using it basically as my daily driver for the last month. Sometimes my iPhone's here, but this has been my main phone. So today I thought I'd actually go out and use it as my main camera. I'm actually gonna leave my main camera at home and only use this. And we'll see what it can do in my style. We're gonna do some streets. Let's see what the Nothing Phone 2A Plus can do. just got back and I have some thoughts. So first of all, I think everybody should put their expectations down a bit, because this is not a flagship phone, so I don't think it's fair to compare it to like the new Samsung S25 or the iPhone 16 Pro. This is a budget phone, so this is the mindset I had going into it. Second, that really annoyed me, and you probably saw it in the POV video. There's a setting, I think by default it's on 12 megapixels, and then you can use the 0.6, the 1 times and the 2 times zoom, but you can turn it on to 50 megapixels, but when you do that you lose the 2 times zoom, so that kind of annoyed me. So I was switching back and forth, because sometimes I wanted the 2 times zoom because the 1x was too wide. But yeah, my overall thoughts are, it's a good camera. Obviously it's not going to replace my main camera, but it's nice to have something in your pocket that, you know, you can just take a picture and snap great pictures with it. Obviously I've edited the pictures in my style and how I would edit my normal pictures. I've never used the Nothing Phone 2 or the 1, like the flagship phones, so I can't really compare the 2A Plus to that. But I am very excited to try the Phone 3 that is coming out later this year. Also, they just announced the Nothing Phone 3A, which is the next generation for this phone. I'm probably not gonna test that, but I probably will use the Nothing Phone 3 and probably do a similar video to this. Oh yeah, and also I know it probably wasn't the best representation of street photography I could have done, but I live in Cologne and it's really not a dream street photography city, so I had to work with what I have, and that's what I had today. A gloomy, cloudy, cold day with not a lot of people. The pros definitely outweigh the cons, so I'm not gonna trash on it too much. It is a budget phone. It is a 50 megapixel camera if you turn it on. For a phone like this, the cameras really did surprise me, and actually how much I was able to edit them. So yeah, not bad. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.